Yo, welcome to the crib, guys. So check it out. This is not actually my crib where I live, but this is our podcast, storage, studio, you name it. But this is our $1 million setup, so let's get right into it. So over here, guys, we keep it simple. I'm a big believer that it is better to start than to have everything perfect before you start. So I would like to introduce you guys to our $50 cardboard table. Basically, these are the Honey Bear Boba cups, but it makes a good table. We got our multi-camera setup. We got our lights back here. Behind the couch, we actually have our neon color lights that shines blue, red, green, all that stuff. Come on over here, guys. This is the cool part where PJ normally sits. So here we have our Rode Procaster, right? We got our multi-mic setup. We got our headset. Now we're hoping Yeti will sponsor us, but right now my man PJ is sitting on a Rubbermaid cooler with no wheels. So Rubbermaid, hope you guys are watching this. If you guys want to compete with Yeti to get us a cooler for PJ. Behind here we haven't blacked out everything yet, so we used our banners from 50 Hills. We got one blackout curtain here. We're working on it, guys. We're working on it. These are some of the boxes from Honey Bear Boba, which we also own, but we keep, some storage here. That way we don't have to rent another storage spot. So these are our 16 and our 20 ounce cups, I believe. Check it out. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. Let me take you guys over here. It's where the TikTok, where we do the dancing and all the trending, and then this, we do that right here. Come on back, guys. Got a TV, haven't hung it yet. I'm kind of lazy. Got our iMac. This is actually where we kind of process a lot of the orders from Honey Bear. So if you guys want Honey Bear merch, we got sweaters, we got blankets, we got rugs, and if you're a big Larry June fan, I can get one possibly signed by him. Let's go into the other room. So in here is where we keep all the sweaters. We got the gray Honey Bear sweater. We got the hoodies, Honey Bear. Let's go. We got the yellow. We got the pink. We got black crew necks. We got the neon green. Here we actually have some special stuff. We got some rugs, Honey Bear rugs. We got Honey Bear blankets. We got it all, guys. We'll put the link down below if you guys want to buy it. That's the bathroom. Nothing happens there. Come on over here, guys. It's not that big, but it's all we need. It wouldn't be a studio if we didn't have drinks. So let me show you what's in our fridge. We don't have food, guys. We don't eat here. So over here, we got our whiskey selection. I don't drink a lot of whiskey anymore, but we got to have it for when we have guests over, podcast people. All right, let's see what's in our magical fridge. I don't drink a lot of beer, but when I do, it's Bud Light or Coors Light. Why? Because it's like water and it's hydrating. Got a couple hard seltzer, Kirkland. I think we drink all the claws, we drink all the other ones. Couple little water bottles, that's what we do. Always stay hydrated. Okay, what else we got here? This is probably one of the best champagne that I love. It's the Moet, whatever you want to say. It is the Ice Imperial. And you drink this over ice, it's like apple juice and it packs a kick. Let's get it. All right, let's see. Gin. We got the gin drinkers covered. We got Hendrix. We got St. George. Got a bottle of Dragones tequila. And I know I got something else special in here. Hold on. We got a bottle of the Don Julio Blanco. Keep it cheap, keep it light, $35 a bottle. And of course, we got the classic Clase Azul. So, really, all we have here is liquor and water. So if you come here and you do a podcast, that's all I got for you guys. Let me show you guys the next spot. Of course, this is a condo, so there are some amenities. So whenever I need to get that pump in, I go to this spot. Ready? Oh, no, we'll do the gym, and then we'll go out here. Yo, all right, guys. So we're in the gym. This is where you can get a pump out. You know, if your energy's not feeling so high in the podcast studio, you come here, you get a pump in. So over here, this is not the gym I typically go to. I go to Equinox, but it does get the job done. I want to get a quick mile in. I'll get a quick mile in here. Dumbbells go up to about 50 pounds. Of course, I need triple digits because I push the big weights. But it gets the job done, guys. Let's go. Next room, guys. This is the media room. You can play a little bit of this shuffleboard. Sometimes we come here. I actually don't come here a lot, but it's actually kind of a nice backdrop if we want to do more, you know, make us look smart because there's a lot of books. 80-inch TV. It's community room, guys. I'll show you guys the next one where we're gonna go get Zen. Let's go. All right, guys, step out here in the courtyard where we can get Zen, come up with some ideas. I mean, like I said, we don't have food, but we could technically bring some steak, which I love to cook. Grill it here, hang out by the fire pit. Come on, there's another fire pit. That fire pit over there wasn't good enough for you. This one is more round. Let's go.
Yo, special guest, Brandon.
Look, that shows the ass.
The special guest is back again.
Yo, so that's the studio of where all the magic happens. And again, I really want to emphasize in this video the importance of just starting. You see my cardboard box, and before all this stuff was even here, it was literally an iPhone or a camera. That's it. So don't wait to be perfect to start, just start. And guys, if you guys can do me a big favor, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, because I love making these videos for you guys. And also, we have a podcast dropping, so be on the lookout for that as well. Thanks so much, guys.
Well, let me drop another information. Like, you know, people always think you need money to make money. True, but you don't need your own money. Right now, you should be. Now, granted, don't be a con artist. This is, you actually gotta like care. Like when we take our investors' money, we do our due diligence and we stand by our work. We you know, we're gonna make sure that they always get their money back. Yeah. So right now, you don't need your own money. You need access to money.